Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Sew It Yourself. For today's project, I have taken a poplin fabric. Now I am going to show you how to cut and stitch a trouser for a baby. This is my measurement and you can change it according to your requirement. I have taken a 4-fold fabric. These are all 4 layers. Length of the pant is 10.5 inches. Width of the pant is 8.5 inches. From this point to here 2 inches. From this point to here again 2 inches. From the open side mark 1.5 inches. I am joining these points. This is a crotch area. Now I am going to draw a slight curve. Now I am going to trim this. Out of 4 layers, I am taking only the 2 layers for front portion. After arranging the fabric like this, check whether the back portion is 1.5 inch more than the front portion. This is a front portion and this is a back portion. Draw a slight curve from this point. Now I am going to cut it. Now I am separating the front portion and the back portion. We will get 2 layers for front and 2 layers for back. Now I am going to place the front portion on the back portion. Similarly, I am going to place the back portion on the front portion. Now I am going to give a stitch at the corner. I have finished attaching both the sides. Now I am turning the fabric into the right side. This is right side of the fabric and this is wrong side of the fabric. Now I will place the right sides together and I am going to give a stitch at the crotch area. I have taken a bias tape. Using this I am going to give a piping at the bottom. I am attaching the bias tape at the wrong side of the fabric. Give small cuts, then I am giving a top stitch. I am turning the bias tape and folded it twice and giving a stitch at the right side of the fabric. Similarly, I will finish for the other side. I have finished attaching piping at both the bottom. I am going to give a stitch here. Now I am folding the fabric and going to give a stitch. I am inserting the elastic. With this, stitching is complete. Thanks for watching.